Hi, I'm Andrew with the Utah Science, Technology, and Research Initiative, and I'm here to talk to you about combustion. So think about an explosion. There's a flash of light, big boom, and then some heat. Now these things are caused by a chemical reaction called combustion. During a chemical reaction, chemicals are broken up and rearranged to make new chemicals. The ones you start with are called the reactants, and the ones you end with are called the products. Now in a combustion reaction, your reactants are fuel and oxygen. And when these two come together, they form products, which are CO2, water, and actually a whole lot of energy. And this energy can be used to create electricity, or to heat our homes, or to move our cars. Now the fuels most commonly used in our daily lives are coal, petroleum, and natural gas. And these are called fossil fuels because they're made up of elements of hydrogen and carbon, which together are called hydrocarbons. Now when a fuel burns, the carbons and hydrogens in the fuel react with the oxygen in the air to make carbon dioxide and water. So how is it that combustion creates energy? Well, let's take a look at a quick exercise. Now for this activity, you're going to need some food coloring, a candle, a glass with a little bit of water in it, and a plate to hold that water. Also, we're going to need some matches. So to start off, let's take our food coloring and let's just add a drop. You don't need much. Let's give it a stir. And once it's nice and even, we'll add it to our dish. Now make sure to empty out all the water because we're going to be reusing this glass. Let's put our candle in. And we'll give it a light. We'll take our empty glass, put it over the candle. Let's watch what happens. So, like we've discovered, combustion means that fuel and oxygen are combining to create products, and one of those products is heat. Now in this example, our fuel was the hydrocarbon in the candle, and the oxygen was just in the air that was inside the glass. Now we started the combustion reaction by lighting our candle, and the heat from the reaction made the air hot, and it expands when it's hot. Now that expanding air created pressure that tried to escape, and the only place it could escape was out of the bottom of our glass. Now, after all the oxygen was used up and the reaction ended, the flame went out. So when the flame died, the air got cold again and contracted. Now that contracting air creates a vacuum that sucked up the surrounding water into the glass. Thanks for watching. You can find this and more lesson plans and activities on our website, energy.utah.gov.